A and B undertake a piece of work for rupees 250. A alone can do that work in 5 days and B alone can do that work in 15 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 3 days. If everyone gets paid in proportion to the work done by them, find the amount that C will get, or the amount C will get is dash. Options are 50, 100, 150 and 200. So let's try and solve it. But basically A and B have undertaken a piece of work for which they'll get paid rupees 250. A alone can do the work in 5 days. B alone can do the work in 15 days. With the help of C, they finish the work in 3 days. Now you know that the persons here are gonna get paid in proportion to the work done. So basically, whenever you have to divide an amount between 3 persons, you have to divide it based on the capacity, right? So the capacity ratio is important. We have to work on the ratio of their capacities. What is the capacity ratio? That's the question. Now how do you get that? See, we know the capacity of A is 1 by 5. If A can do the total work in 5 days, his capacity is 1 by 5. B can do the total work in 15 days, B's capacity is 1 by 15. But what is C's capacity is the question. We have not been given the number of days required by C to finish the work. Instead, we have been told that with the help of C, these guys have finished the work in 3 days. Which means all 3 of them are working together. When all A, B and C work together, they finish the work in 3 days. Now A's capacity is 1 by 5. B's capacity is 1 by 15. Let's assume C's capacity is 1 by C. Their total capacity is 1 by 3. The fact that they can finish the work in 3 days means the total capacity is 1 by 3. A's capacity 1 by 5. B's capacity 1 by 15. What is C's capacity? Try to find out C's capacity from this. What will it be? 1 by C will be equal to, 15 is LCM, let's say. So 5 minus 3 minus 1. I'm just writing the next step. I've skipped one of the intermediate steps. I'm sure you understand how to do this calculation, right? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 15. So that will give you 5 minus 3 minus 1, which is like 1 by 15. So C's capacity is 1 by 15. Now what is the capacity ratio? The capacity ratio will be equal to, what will it be? A is 1 by 5, is to B is 1 by 15, is to C is 1 by 15. C's capacity is also 1 by 15. Simplify this further. See, what can we do? Multiply every part here by 15, because 15 is a common multiple, right? So it gives you 3 is to 1 is to 1. That's it, done. You've got the capacity ratio, means you've got the answer. Total amount is 250. We have to find out C's share. How much will C get? C will get how much? 1 part out of 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 1 out of 5 parts multiplied by 250. How much is that? 50. So basically divide 250 in this ratio. 3 is to 1 is to 1. Total 5 parts. Divide 250 in 5 parts. Each part will be equal to 50 rupees. So C gets 1 part, which means C gets 50 rupees. How much will B get? B will also get 1 part, 50 rupees. How much will A get? A gets 3 parts. Each part is 50. 3 parts will be 150. So option 3 is the answer. If A's amount is to be calculated, right? Option 3, if A's amount is to be calculated. Here the answer is option 1, 50.